Greetings, Kingdom Athletes. This is Coach Wintercheck again with your bi-weekly 15-minute muscle maker. We've got a workout for you today that we're going to entitle the Lower Body Blast. We're going to start out with some mobility exercises, including B-skip, backward groin opener, and the pendulum. Then we're going to go into PLYOS and movement. We're going to do some bullfrogs, some pogos, and some triple jumps. We're going to go into a strength set where we do textbook squats, overhead textbook calf raises, and textbook clean and press. And if we have time at the end, we're going to go into a short speed section. We're going to do some 10-yard power stance sprints. All you'll need for this workout is just something to hold in your hands that's a little bit heavier than nothing. So if you have a large textbook or a brick, anything that you can hold in your hands that's going to be a little bit heavier than not having anything in your hands at all. All right, I'm going to flip over into full screen mode, and then we'll begin our workout. All right, we're going to start off with some B-skip to get our lower body warmed up. All right, remember when we use a B-skip, we drive the knee and the arm, and then we kick the foot. All right, so we're going to start off with B-skip on my count. Here we go. We're going about 10 yards. Sit, hip. Here we go. All right, we're going to walk it back. All right, we're going to do another B-skip for about 10 yards. Here we go. Sit, hip. Drive the knee, drive the foot. All right, make sure you drive both of those pieces of the body, knee first and then the foot. All right, we don't want to just isolate one. We want to get both extensions on there. We want the knee extension, we want the foot extension. Say it, hip, knee, foot, knee, foot, knee, foot. There we go. All right, one more time. We're going to go another B-skip. All right, here we go. Ready, go. Knee, foot, knee, foot, knee, foot. All right, very nice, very nice. All right, so now we're going to go into a backward groin opener. And when we do a backward groin opener, we're going to start by putting one knee up in the air. All right, then we're going to open the groin sideways. We're going to come down and squat. All right, and then we're going to push off and walk away. All right, we'll do this both directions. We're going to do it to the left and to the right. We're going to start off to the right. All right, you can start off with backward groin opener. So grab your right knee, pull it back, put it down, squat low. All right, push off and walk away. All right, we're going to do that the opposite way with your left leg now. All right, we got backward groin opener. Here we go. Left knee up. Push it back. We squat. Push off and walk away. All right, here we go. We're going to do the right side again, right leg again. All right, another backward groin opener. Right knee up. Right to the side. Go down to the squat. Don't fall. To the squat, push off and walk away. All right, to the left again. All right, we've got left knee up. Open it up. Squat, low, and walk away. All right, now we're going to go into a pendulum. So you'll need to be next to the wall to do a pendulum. All right, so we want to lean over on the wall. All right, and we're going to take our right leg, hang it down between our left leg and the wall. All right? We're going to take it and we're going to act like it's the pendulum of a grandfather clock. We're going to swing it back and forth. All right, back and forth. Relax. Let's go left leg. Ready? Go. Right leg again. Ready, go. Left leg again. Ready, go. Relax. Relax. All right, now we're going to go into our PLYOS and movement section. All right, we're going to do an exercise called Bullfrogs. All right, so when we're doing Bullfrogs, all right, we're going to squat down. We're going to put our hands and our feet on the ground. All right, we're going to explode up and then back down with our hands and our feet on the ground. All right, we're going to do 3 of these without standing up. All right, and then we're going to come back and start over. All right, here we go. Bullfrogs. Sit. Hup. 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 All right, now we're going to do it again. Another set of bullfrogs. Sit. Hup. Hup. One more. Hup. One more. More bullfrog. Sit. Hands on the ground. Hup. 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 All right, relax. All right, that's our bullfrog set. We're going to go into pogos now. All right, when we do pogos, we're actually going to keep our knees straight. We're going to get up on our toes. All right, and we're up on our toes. All right, we're going to jump slightly up and down on our toes. All right, we don't want to jump so high that when we come down, we feel it in our knees. Right, because we don't want to hurt that cartilage in there. Right, but so we're not coming down and hitting our heels also. All right, just remember that. If we can cushion our landing with our toes instead of our heels, that keeps our knees from getting hurt. All right, here we go. So we're up on our toes. Right, we're going to do this for 10 seconds. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. All right, now we're going to do a T-post position. All right, and we're still going to do pogos for another 10 seconds. All right, here we go. Ready, up on your toes. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax. All right, now we're going to reach for the sky. All right, do 10 more seconds of pogos. All right, here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. All right, now we're going to do a 30-second Pogo Medley. All right, so when we do 30-second Pogo Medley, we'll just go pogos, and I'll say T, and we keep on going. I'll say reach for the sky, we keep on going. T, regular. All right, so we're going to do that for 30 seconds. Here we go. Ready, go. Regular. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. T, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. T, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Regular. 4, 5, 6. T, 28, 9, 30. Relax. All right, you ought to be feeling in your calves a little bit after that one. All right, we're going to move on into triple jumps. And if you've ever run track and you've participated in the event, the triple jump, that's kind of like what this is, but we're not running, okay? So all we're going to do is we're going to jump off our right, and then we're going to switch over to our left, and then we're going to land on both feet, all right? Watch me one time while we're going to do this. We're going to do it on one set of feet and the other. So we're going to go right, left, land, all right? Right, left, land. All right? Let's do this together. First triple jump. Ready, go. Right, left, land. Relax. Now, stay down in your squat position until I tell you to relax. Let's do it again. Go. Ready, right foot, start with this first. Go. Right, left, lands. Hold it. Relax. All right, we're going to switch it over and do our left foot now. Start with left, so it'll be left, right, land. Ready? Go. Left, right, land. Hold it. Relax. One more time, left foot first. Ready? Go. Left, right, land. Hold it. Relax. All right, we've got about 5 minutes left, so we're going to move into our strength set. So we need you to get whatever that thing is you're going to carry, or you're going to hold. If it's a textbook, that's fine. If it's a brick, if you have a medicine ball, that'd be great. If you have a basketball, that'd be fine. It'd be better to have something a little bit heavier than a basketball, but if that's all you got, that's not a problem. All right, so we're going to do textbook squat. When we do textbook squat, all right, we're going to take the textbook or the med ball, whatever we got, hold it out in front of us. All right, and then we're going to do 20 reps of squat. All right, so when we do this, all right, we're going to go down all the way till the bottom of our leg is parallel to the ground. All right, here we go. Ready, down, up, 1. Throw your hips forward. Down, up, 2. Down, up, 3. Down, up, 4. down, up 5, down, up 6, down, up 7, down, up 8, down, up 9, down, up 10, down, up 11, down, up 12, down, up 13, down, up 14, down, up 15, down, up 16, down, up 17, down, up 18, down, up 19, down, up 20. All right, that's our 20 reps of textbook squat. It's really important when you're doing squat that you don't just go down as low as is comfortable. That's pretty comfortable, but that's not a full range of motion, right? We want to get down low, all right, and train that full range of motion in our knees and in our hips especially. All right, now we're gonna move on to overhead textbook calf raises. So you can take your textbook, your medicine ball, your brick, whatever it is, put it over your head. All right, we're gonna hold it up there. We can get up on our toes. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna go up and down off of our toes. We're not jumping. All right, we're just keeping our toes on the ground, going up and down. All right, we're gonna do this for 30 seconds. All right, here we go. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, now we're going to move on into a textbook clean and press. So grab your textbook again, or whatever it is that you're using. All right, we're going to do the clean and press. So that means we're going to come down low in a squat position, head down on the floor. All right, we're going to pick it up, throw our hips. All right, and we're going to press that over us. All right, here we go. Ready? On the floor. Go. Right, push hips, push it up. Relax. The floor. Ready? Go. Push hips. Relax. Ready? Go. Push hips. Relax. Ready? Go. Push hips. Relax. Take a little breather. All right, we're going to do the same thing again. All right, we've got about 1.5 minutes left here, so we're good to go. We're going to do another rep of textbook clean and press. All right, to the floor. Ready? Go. Push hips. Press. Ready? On the floor. Go. Push hips. Press. Ready? Go. Push hips. Press. Ready? Go. Push hips and press. All right, now we're going to finish it off with some 10-yard power stance sprints. All right, so many of you know the power stance that we've taught you in athletics. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have left foot forward, right foot back, right hand down, left hand up, backside slightly over our hips. All right, we're going to push hard off of that front foot, drive the knee, and we're going to sprint for 10 yards. All right, here we go. On my command. Sit, hip. All right, let's do it again. Sit, hip. All right, we've got one more. Here we go. Sit, hip. All right, relax. Those should have been 10 yards. Hey, thanks so much for coming and working out with us today. This is Coach Wintercheck. God bless you. Stay strong and leave a mark. We'll talk to you soon.